Changing the igniter module of a BLUESTAR range. This one's from 2004. 48-inch dual oven, 4-burner griddle with grill. The igniter module is damaged. First thing you do is turn off the power, remove the drip trays. The igniter was purchased from Amazon for about $65, and this is the old igniter, so like for like exchange, which is plug and play. BLUESTAR does have a brand new igniter, which is a 6-switch igniter, and that's $164. And I decided to use the old one because this is an old range and they were available for less than half the price, $100 less. We're now going to look underneath here. There's going to be a screw here and a screw up top here, and we're going to remove, in this case, 4 of them, one below there and one up high there. Sometimes there's one in the middle as well. Remove the knobs. Some of them can be left on. Some of them need to be removed. This one I have fixed. The whole panel comes off. You can leave it like that. The igniter, of course the power is off. The igniter to be replaced is right here. And it comes off fairly easily. We're going to replace each wire to itself in order, one at a time. Okay, so we've now connected the same wires, and it's important to get the correct igniter wire to the correct switch, as that has the flame sensor and it will not stop ticking if you put it in the wrong one. So we just exchanged it to how it was wired. In this back where we found it, and it really kind of just rests in the back here without any support, no screws attached to it. That's how it was. And now we will replace this where it belongs. And now the screws will go here, and here, and here, and here. So here's the moment of truth. The power's back on, and the trays have been put in, the panel's been put back. Let's test it. Burner, the 22,000 burners working fine, and the rear burner, the 18,000 BTU, that's working fine. The front 18,000 burners working fine, and the rear simmer burner is also lighting. No persistent ticking. Little yellow flame. There was a lot of soot in there. I just cleaned it out. That should burn off. That's how you change a spark igniter module on a BLUESTAR range of the R&B type model, I believe. There you have it.